right through the PCL, went right to OIM highs. That's very bullish, man. If we can close over the PCL, I'm going to get long. I chose the long instead as we broke over this. I want to get long 41.49. So I'll let this 5-minute candle close. Still, I like it for the bullish setup. Let this 5-minute candle close. The bulls are here. They're showing their hand. Sometimes you just don't get it, man. We still got 2.5 minutes for this 5-minute candle to rip faces off, right? But I'm not chasing shit. It'll move, no doubt, even if it rips from here. But then it'll pull back at some point. That's where I'm going to get involved. I'm not going to be the asshat that buys the high and gets stopped out again. It won't be me. Well, if you believe in the long at all, man, that's the entries just don't get much better than that. I mean, it's just every wick is getting bought. Every wick is getting bought. And now we're opening 5 minutes before the hour right there. Yeah, I'm long. I got to get some long. I'm long. I got a nice long on here. Prior, so I got to take targets here. We're going to take profits here at the top of the hour. I want to take at least a little bit off here. 10, 20 seconds, unless the top of this hour breaks. We break that 40, we break those OIMs, we break 154. Let's go, 10 seconds. All right, that's what I was looking for, is that pop right after. Yeah, so I'm not taking any profits yet. We start to pull back, I will, but had my finger on the trigger there. I was about to have to pull back or sell a little into that pullback, but no, sir. Bulls are showing up now. This is what I'm talking about. Let's go. My next target is 41.80 on the 60, right? That's my next target is 41.80. But every 5 minutes, when we get those big rip candles, especially right now, see, we got a nice consolidation. We let the 5-minute 9 catch up. We get 2 or 3 5-minute candles. The 15's at the PCL, right? It's a good target. It's a good target, but it's 1 minute in the hour. I'm not touching this. We're going to blow right through this.
Order filled.
So I'm going to go ahead and pay myself here. So I've got a 4-hour day, a 3-hour day in 2 trades. That's the beauty of respecting your stops. That's the beauty of trading SPX, trading an instrument that can give you this. That's the beauty of it.